we have the pick and place drone that can pick up the objects, place them on the desired locations. This gripper is the one arm powered gripper using a small servo. Along with that, we were also able to successfully get the PWM signal from the flight controller, and also this drone has the live VTX that transmits the live video stream. After that, we have this micro drone. So in the micro drone, we don't have any onboard computer, we just have the live video streaming capability. We can take the footage to our ground station, we can process it, then we can send it back to the micro drone and we can do any applications we want. This eliminates any need of the companion computer. This is around only 60 grams of weight, and we have achieved a thrust to weight ratio of 1.7:1. This drone can be used as the surveillance drone. A normal student don't have any resources when he's doing any projects alone. In eYantra, when we came here, we got our lovely mentors who helped us along the journey. They helped us in brainstorming, they helped us with the resources, with the tools and the machineries. They were top notch. We brainstormed as a team, we worked upon it as a team, we got to know each other's perspective and point of views. Then we were able to find out the solution to those problems. I would completely agree from Professor Kavi's statement that we are only bounded by our imagination. We also visited other rooms. We got to know about the things that we even can't think of. It really allowed us to learn something new, grab some things that we didn't knew before. Talks and the live sessions which we had along the journey in eYantra internship program really changed our perspective towards research.
Right now, I'm not thinking in surface level. I go to deep dive into it, read it, and then solve the problem.
After coming to colleges, we generally think of at a higher level. We don't have a look at the fundamentals and all. So after talking to school children, we got certain point of views where we could improve on the fundamental level. eYantra is not just an internship or a competition. It is a program which changes your personality as a whole. It also changes your perspective towards things. It teaches you how to do critical thinking, how to have a problem solving skills. No matter from which college do you belong, from which city or state you belong, you should work hard and come here for the eYantra competition and internship program. This will really change your perspective towards research, your career and your life. It will be a turning point for your life and it is really worth it. The hard work is really worth it.